But the 40 kilometres or so of the old Ellis and Burnand tramway system was what inspired the idea of the new cycleway. The remaining 45 kilometres or so will be formed on other logging routes and on new tracks made through the native bush of the Puriora Forest Park. Finding the best route for new track involves bush bashing. For many Kiwis, a favourite pastime. An experienced contractor with a deep love for the bush was employed. He's forging his way through growth where he can't see very far in front or behind him. So he's marking his trail carefully with strips of flagging tape and with today's high-tech GPS. Once the overall route has been agreed, these markers will be used by the track building crew. Mini diggers are ideal for the job. One man and an assistant able to do what used to take several men days and weeks to achieve. But ahead of them, tangled bush and the bigger trees must be cleared. The Department of Conservation's job is to conserve the natural environment, but it's also to help people to enjoy it. Clearly, making new track has an impact, but it will allow many more people to experience new areas of native bush. Before work can start on securing the tunnel, that stream must be rerouted into a diversion channel. Before the stream goes, dock field staff search the watercourse in the cutting below the tunnel for aquatic life. Bags begin the job. Later, the digger will form an earth dam. With time running out, the search moves into the tunnel itself. What they're looking for are eels and koura, or native freshwater crayfish. Much of the landscape that the trail will pass through is soft pumice, vulnerable to scouring. Hundreds of cubic metres of rockfill have been put down to prevent just that. Controlling water damage is one of the main tasks on both the old formation and the new track. To this end, hundreds of culverts are being installed. The new diversion is now in full flow, and work has begun on the major bridges.